In today's fast-paced real estate industry, staying on top of numerous lease agreements, rental contracts, and maintenance schedules can be overwhelming. That's where Remindax, an innovative automated reminder system, comes into play, transforming the way real estate businesses operate. Firstly, Remindax significantly reduces the risk of overlooking critical dates. Lease renewals and contract expiration dates are central to a real estate business's revenue flow. Missed deadlines could lead to lost opportunities, unnecessary vacancies, and even penalties. Remindax automatically sends reminders for these important dates, ensuring you're always one step ahead. Secondly, efficiency and productivity in handling administrative tasks are amplified. The software effectively organizes and manages all your documents in one place, making data retrieval a breeze. With Remindax, professionals can shift their focus from monotonous administrative work to strategic decision-making, fostering business growth. Another key benefit is the seamless collaboration Remindax promotes. Its multi-user feature allows different team members to have access based on their roles, fostering enhanced cooperation. This feature promotes a more efficient workflow and ensures everyone is on the same page. Furthermore, Remindax's universal application across various devices and platforms means you have access to your reminders anytime, anywhere. This ensures that even when you're on the go, your business stays on track. Lastly, Remindax offers flexibility in sending reminders. It supports email, text message, and WhatsApp reminders, allowing you to choose the most convenient and effective method for your clients. This also helps improve your relationships with tenants, as they appreciate the reliable communication and efficient service. In a nutshell, Remindax offers a comprehensive solution to manage the intricacies of the real estate industry. Its automation capabilities, ease of access, and communication versatility, combined with its role-based collaboration features, make it an essential tool for modern real estate businesses. With Remindax, stay reminded, stay ahead.